How to wire batteries in series. Wiring batteries in series is how you increase system voltage. In a series connection, you connect the positive terminal of one battery to the negative terminal of the next battery. The voltage adds together while the amp hour capacity stays the same. So if you wire two 12-volt Battle-Born batteries in series, you create a 24-volt system. Four 12-volt batteries in series create a 48-volt system. For standard Battle-Born batteries, 4 batteries in series, or up to 48 volts, is the maximum. The process is straightforward. Start by confirming that your inverter, charger, and other major components are designed for the higher system voltage you're building. Then place matched batteries together and use properly sized cables to connect positive to negative from one battery to the next. Before wiring your batteries in series, it's important to charge each battery individually to an absorption voltage of 14.4 volts to ensure they are balanced prior to connecting them. The remaining open negative on one end and open positive on the other become your main system connections. You can then parallel as many of these series strings as needed to meet your total amp hour capacity requirements. It's important to use the same battery model and amp hour rating throughout the series string. Mixing different batteries can lead to imbalance and reduce performance. Series wiring is simple, but it has to match the rest of the system. If your components are designed for 24 or 48 volts and the batteries are wired correctly, it's a clean and effective way to build a higher voltage Battle-Born battery bank.